For this DIY, I just grabbed two of this little tray from Dollar Tree, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put some hot glue all around it. So make sure to put in each corner better instead of the whole thing. So just in the four corner, and then place the container on top and attach it in place. And you see here, I have extra glue in the middle, so I'm gonna go ahead and take it out. So make sure just to do the corner instead of doing the whole middle like that. Then I went ahead and spray painted in white. You could do any color that you would like. And then I took the floral foam and I'm going to put some hot glue, and then I'm going to attach it to the sides, and then I'm going to do also the other side as well. So I'm going to attach all the whole sides like that. Then I put another layer on top just to make it for the flower to fit better if you think you need it. Then I went ahead and put my flower on top, just fill it up with the flower, whichever color you would like. Then I took these pearls and I'm just gonna put some hot glue, and then I'm going to attach it to the middle just like that. Then just continue doing this, attaching it until you're done with the whole thing, the whole jar all around it, even in the back. Then after that, I went ahead and did it in blue as well. Then I took this sign that says "Oh Baby," and I'm just gonna go ahead and place it in the middle like that. Just place it on top and there, and look how cute it looks with the blue, guys. I think this one's gonna be a cute one. Then I went ahead and grabbed this little, it's like a little horse or rocking little horse like that. So I'm gonna do the blue and yellow, and I took a toothpick, and then I'm gonna take my hot glue and put a little bit of hot glue on the top of the toothpick, and then I'm gonna attach it like that to the horse, and then I'm going to place the little horse inside just like that. But if you like it to be yellow better, then just go ahead and do it better in yellow. I like both of them to be yellow, so instead of the blue one, I just use the yellow. So it's up to you how you would like it better, and just display. You can even display more if you would like it. I just did two on each side. Then if you want it to be a little bit taller, just place a little bit of foam and attach it, and then just go ahead and place your tipstick so it can be a little bit higher, just like that, and it will come out perfectly fine. Don't forget that you could also add more than two. Just add a few more in the back and the front so it could look a little bit better. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. This is the first look, how it will look. So simple, and it will be just pink, or you could do any color, yellow. It depends on the occasion or the party theme, or whatever you're doing for your party theme decorations. But I think this is something so easy and simple that you guys can do at home. The another one is the blue one, and this is how cute it turns out. As you can see, I just put the two yellow on each side, and it still came out so pretty and so cute. I love how it turns out. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly, and let's not forget to hit the little like button and comment down below letting me know which one is your favorite, the blue one or the pink one. Thanks again for watching.